Hi everyone, I want to tell you today a little tip that has to do with the Berlin Wall Trail and the occasional smell of chocolate. So I'm in the district of Reinickendorf in North Berlin, right next to the S-Bahn station called Wilhelmsruh. And here, not on the official Berlin Wall Trail, but on the western side, which used to be West Berlin, near this industrial area right here. Let me show you. Some factories all around. And over here in 1964, a group of businessmen opened a chocolate factory, which is really cool, isn't it? And over the years, this chocolate factory was purchased by, for example, a company called Dr. Oetker, food company, very famous in Germany, and some other companies nowadays owned by a company called Cargill. They have a lot of work to do towards Easter, manufacturing lots of chocolate for us. So when you cycle here, it's really fun because sometimes you can really smell chocolate along the way. So come here, enjoy the trail, have a good time, enjoy springtime in Berlin. Thank you for watching.